This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by BEAUVILLE Milan. Desirable 3-bedroom/2.5 bath, 2-story Chardonnay townhouse in Carrollwood Village. The fenced townhome is a corner unit. Sliding glass doors open out to a private screened-in terrace with pavers and an open backyard. The first floor features a spacious and bright living room area with a half bath, and an eat-in kitchen. The kitchen is equipped with wood cabinets, granite countertop, and stainless steel appliances overlooking the living room and patio. The second floor features 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms and laundry, equipped with a washer and dryer, making laundry easy. The master bedroom has a huge walk-in closet. AC compressor and air handler replaced in 2021 and the roof replaced in 2015. An attached 1-car garage with an attic for additional storage space and additional parking in driveway. Conveniently located to everything that Carollwood has to offer.